Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper on Tuesday. It's Tuesday, June the 6th, 2023. We have here one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you those puzzles. The letter Sudoku. Sudoku with 0 stars. Sudoku with 1 star. With 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch they call it Cypher block. In Japanese Sudoku. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will do those in the evening. Yes, tonight. And what's the news of today? Well, today I heard on a TV in Ukraine. Yes, it's Ukraine news. The dam is destroyed in Ukraine. Yeah, a lot of flood waters. So, the Russians has destroyed the dam in Ukraine. All right. Let me start with the medium Sudoku. Well, is it a medium Sudoku? I don't think so, but this will be number 6547. Don't think so because it has 30 printed digits. 30 printed digits, a lot. Usually the printed digits for medium Sudoku has 26 printed digits. This one has 30, so it should be easier than the 1-star puzzle. In additional, for 1-star puzzle I need to be faster than 50 minutes. Well, maybe this one 40 minutes, 30 minutes, who knows, we'll see. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the one in this column, 1 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. The 1 in this row, the 1 in the middle row, so the row above. There only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 cannot continue with the 1 now, need to wait. How about the number? Let me see. The number. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Shoot it down. Then these 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Let me mark those: 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. That means we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 and the 7. The 8 is missing. Alright, okay, and now 3 missing numbers in this row. 1 of the missing number in this row is a number 2. Well, here can be a 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. Here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in this row should be there. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, okay. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Alright. 3, 7, 3, 7, and the 6. Yeah. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column be 3. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Or there, we see a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9. Yeah, could be here, could be there. 9, 9, okay. 7 and 6 are missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 2. Well, 4, 4, 4, 4. Alright, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. Come on, come on, come on. 7. 7. Well, I'm thinking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in these 3 boxes here. 3 in the third row, third column, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes at there. Alright, 9 in this column, first column, 9 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 9, okay. 4, 3, wait for the 3s. 3, 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. And look, we have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. Here, 3 in this column, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in the second row should be there. So the 6 and the 7 are left. Cannot fill this yet. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can't see. This is number 2, number 3, okay. 5, 5, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. 3 missing numbers in this second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. And look, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. And 8 in the row below, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. So the 6 and the 7 are left. Okay. Here also 6 and the 7. Yeah. So we have 7 and 6 here. 6 and 2 here. Come on. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 5, okay. 5 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now, need to wait. 6 and a 7. 6 and a 7. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the last column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. Then 7, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row are below. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box left in the last row for number 1. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 6 and 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 and 8, okay. 7 and 8. Well. 6 and 2. I'm thinking. 8 and 7. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 7 and the 6, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. Do we have 8 in the second row? No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Well, told you need to be faster than 50 minutes. So, well, we're pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.